CoSpaces EDU Basics. When you enter CoSpaces and your merge cube, this is the screen that you will see, and there's some important buttons to be aware of. At the bottom, this is where you will do most of the adding of objects to your scene. You can see there is library, upload, and environment. When you tap on library, you will see a variety of 3D objects that you can add to your CoSpace, such as animals, houses, buildings, text, or you can search for items that you would like. The upload section is where you can add different items like images or videos that you've created or 3D models from Google to add to your CoSpace. Here in images, you can either search for the web or you can upload images from your camera roll. When you tap upload in images, you'll be given these options. You can either take a photo with your camera or add photos from your photo and video library. When you choose web search, you're given these options. You can search for an item, for example, cat, and select from image or GIF or a GIF sticker. Uploading 3D models is easy too. You can do a web search to find any 3D object that exists on Google. For example, a tree, a mountain, a cat, a dog, and the list goes on and on. You can also add a sound to your CoSpace by recording an explanation or upload an audio file, for example, from GarageBand of a song you've recorded. The environment section allows you to add a filter to your CoSpace. This does not change the color of the cube. More on that later. You can also add a background sound that will play as someone is viewing your CoSpace here. To add an item to your CoSpace, simply click and drag it into the scene like this. These buttons help you change your object by bringing it up or down, making it bigger or smaller, or rotating it. Here's what each of the buttons mean. This button makes it bigger or smaller. This button moves the object up or down. This button rotates the object. Here you can see I'm using this button to make the hedgehog bigger. Now you can see I'm moving the hedgehog up and across to sit on my block like this. Double tapping is the way to change anything about an item or even your block. Double tap to see different options here like speech, coding, animations, and material. Check them out to see what they do. You can also change the color of the block or the way that it looks by double tapping it and then choosing material. Now you can see here there's lots of different options about how I can change the way my block looks. Here are some other important challenge buttons that you might need when you're creating your CoSpace. Play lets you view your CoSpace in augmented reality on your merge cube. The media button and the list button on the left allows you to add multiple scenes or multiple cubes. The code button allows you to code objects in different ways when you press play to view your CoSpace. Have fun creating!